I like
The
it.
bag is
Let me
it's
see.
old.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yes, I like that.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Flora, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my wash day routine. A lot of you guys have been asking how my wash days go and how I keep my hair moisturized. So in today's video I'm going to be answering all those questions. If you want to see more, just keep watching. Make sure your post notifications are on. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and yes, let's just move on to the video. First thing I do to prepare my hair for wash day is pre-poo. Now, if you're not already familiar with this term, I want to give you the Google definition of pre-pooing because I am not a professional and this is only my opinion. According to Google, pre-pooing is the process of applying a treatment to your hair before the actual shampoo process. This treatment provides your hair with an extra protective layer. There are 3 common ways to pre-poo. The first way is doing an oil treatment. That's using any essential oils to soothe your hair before shampooing. The third way is using aloe vera gel. That's applying aloe vera gel before shampooing. And the last one is using butters, such as shea butter or mango butter, to soothe your hair before you apply the shampoo. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Moisture Miracle Aloe Vera and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. Whoa, that was a mouthful. So I apply this to my hair before I shampoo. Alright, so I know there might be a bunch of you who are asking yourselves, wait, why do I need to pre-shampoo? Like, I'm too lazy for that. Why do I need to add an extra hour to my wash day routine? Okay, I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why you need to pre-shampoo right now. Pre-pooing helps you detangle, condition, and minimize breakage before you even get into wash day. So I didn't get to actually show you guys the whole process of me doing my pre-poo treatment, but usually I just apply it to sections of my hair and detangle my hair before I get into the shower. And then when I get into the shower, I just wash it all out, take out the twists one by one, and wash out all the pre-poo. Make sure you get everything out and make sure it's clarified. So today I'm going to be using the Suave Almond plus Shea Butter Moisturizing Shampoo. I love this shampoo. I think it's great. It's not like a natural hair shampoo, but it's something that's cheap and it works great for my hair. It keeps my hair moisturized and it keeps it, you know, just not tangled and everything. It keeps it easy to manage, and I love that. Here I'm just showing you guys how defined my curls are with the shampoo in it. Like, not a lot of shampoos do that. Like, a lot of shampoos get your hair all brittle and just not good, but this is a sulfate free shampoo, and sulfate free shampoos really work for me. They keep your hair moisturized even if it is a shampoo. It keeps it easy to manage and it's just simple, so just use that. So I wash my hair twice, so this is the second wash. I'm just making sure to use the palms of my fingers and slowly rake my my scalp. Don't be so rough on your scalp. You want to be as gentle as possible, but make sure you're actually helping your scalp get clarified. So this specific wash day, I hadn't washed my hair in like mad long, so I clipped my hair back and left the second wash of shampoo in it for like 5 minutes, and now I'm just washing the second shampoo out of my hair, and I'm just slowly just trying to get all the shampoo out. Make sure there's no more shampoo in your hair when you're done. Wash it all out and get your hair clean. Right now, I'm just being a bird trying to show you guys how much my hair has grown. Like, I've come such a long way. Oh my god. You guys see that? It's so cute. Oh my god. I'm so proud of myself. I'm sure by now you guys can tell that I do wash my hair in sections. It's just easier that way for me. It helps wash day go by faster, and it helps my hair get less tangled. So that's why I do that. Right now I'm just washing the right part of my hair because I already washed my left. I'm gonna do the front part together for the second wash because the front part is not as hard because I am like it is my front part, so it's easier for me to see. And yeah, so I'm washing my hair second time right now. This is how I usually do it. It might seem like weird, but this is how I do it. It works for me. This is me being stupid. Now I'm washing out the second wash of shampoo. Yes, that was really quick. I'm joking. I just cut out so many clips. But now it's time to deep condition. Yes, my favorite part of wash day. So deep conditioning helps to promote elasticity, moisturize and maintain moisture, and it prevents damage to your hair. In this video, I'm going to be using the Moisture Miracle Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Detox and Soften Heat Activated Mask. Wow, that's a lot of words to say. So this deep conditioner has no parabens, no sulfates. All that bad stuff is out of it. I really like this deep conditioner. This is like my 5th time using it. I'm not really a fan of the smell though. It could be better, but I'm just trying it. It works good though. You have to use heat to kind of activate it. That's why it's in the name. When I apply the deep conditioner to my hair, I like to go in with a tooth comb to help me detangle. So I start from my ends and slowly work my way to the top. It's easier to do this, especially if you're type 4, because it helps your hair just detangle and it makes, you know, the wash day process a little less strenuous. So I'm showing you guys how it looks from the back, and yeah. Now, since my hair needs a trim and I'm too lazy to trim it, I'm going to be using my little, like, what is it called? The shower brush. And I'm gonna comb my ends out to make it easier to twist up so it won't unravel. So yeah, I'm just doing that really quickly. My hair needs a trim. I'm going to trim it very soon. I also wanted to show you guys, my hair is not always easy to work with. So like it got a little tangled over there. So I want to show you guys how I try to get rid of the tangles as much as possible. So I separate my hair into 2 and I go in with the tooth comb once again and do it section by section. So I'm not rough on my hair because sometimes I can get frustrated and it's just not pretty. So I'm separating it into 2 and doing it section by section to make it easier for myself. So we finally come to the end of the hardest part of wash day. So I just finished twisting my last section of hair up. This is how much shedding came out of my head because I pre-pooed before I did the hard stuff. So yes, pre-poo, it helps you a lot. So now I'm going to shower. Y'all don't need to see that. All right, y'all, so I'm finally out of the shower and now I'm going to be using heat to help my hair deep condition and just absorb the deep conditioner. So in today's video, I'm going to be using my trusty Evans Fahrenheit heat distribution machine. It's supposed to be like the cheaper version of a hair steamer. If you don't know what that is, search it up. But it's basically supposed to help my hair absorb the deep conditioner and help it maintain moisture. So as you can see, I'm putting it on my head and then I attach my blow dryer to the bottom and put it on high heat. And I do this for an hour, sometimes 2 hours. And today I did it for 1 hour. All right, so I washed it out of my hair after an hour. And now I'm going to move on to styling. So for today's styling, I'm just going to do a regular twist out, nothing too crazy. So first I use water To bring back moisture in my hair and make it less dry, I'm going to be using the leave-in cream from the Moisture Miracle line. This video is not sponsored. I just really love all their products and they work amazing. So I'm just applying the leave-in after the water. Then I go in with my tooth comb once again, comb it out. Then I go in with my curling cream. All their products have no parabens, no sulfates, any of that. They're all clean and good use for your hair. So I'm adding that. And then lastly, I go in with my Wild Growth hair oil. I recently just started using this. My mom bought it, so I just decided to try it on my hair. It works like a regular hair growth oil. It's just oil, so yeah. I make sure to also apply the oil to my scalp. Don't miss any parts of your hair. Make sure all the product is going on every single strand and you're not missing any single strand. So I'm starting to twist up my hair now. I add in a little bit more of the curling cream to each section that I twist up. And then I go in with my shower brush and just make sure I'm getting my ends, because once again, I have to clip my ends. They're in bad shape right now. I'm just being lazy. Make sure when you get to the ends of your twists that you're twisting them up. And this is the key to twist outs, because when you do take out the twists, you want it to be a nice little coil at the bottom, not any frizzy mess. So make sure you're twisting up the ends of your hair to give you that coily effect when you take out your twists. And just like that, we're on our last twist. For you guys it was a second, for me it was about an hour later, but we're finally on to the end. All right, y'all, so when I'm finally done with the rest of my hair, I'll add in more of the oil and make sure to put on my bonnet to protect my hair for the night. So I'll see you guys in the morning. So it's the next day and now we're about to take out our twists. I'm going in with my hair oil once again to give my scalp a little bit more moisture. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into the taking down process. So right here, I'm just showing you guys in real time how I'm taking out my twists. Make sure you're taking out your twists where it naturally separates, because if you just start taking them out and just ripping them out, it's gonna come out really frizzy and it's just not gonna look good. So make sure you're gradually taking them out the way they are naturally separating, so you're not messing up any curl patterns or anything like that. So now it's on to stretching. This is my favorite part. So you don't have to necessarily stretch your hair, but I just like more volume in my hair, and I feel like it helps me prevent less breakage over time. So that's why I stretch my hair. I'm just adding more oil again because the oil smells really good and I just really like it in my hair. So now I'm sectioning out my hair into 4 sections. And then I'm going to separate one of those sections into 2 subsections. So I'm clipping one away. And as you can see, I'm pulling my hair down, stretching my hair as much as possible and holding it that way. And then I put my blow dryer onto my hair on high heat and I start to just gradually run it through my hair. And this way you're gonna see that when I let go of my hair, my curl pattern is much more loose and just more flowy than it was before. It's more bouncy and more flowy and just much more easier to manage. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that to my whole entire head. Sorry, my birthday balloons were just getting in the way. Not birthday balloons, they were actually congratulations balloons for graduating class of 2020. So yeah. Alright, so I know it looks crazy now, but watch when I shake my hair. Do y'all see the difference? So now I'm just going in with my tooth comb and picking out my hair. I'm starting from my roots all the way to my midsection of my hair. I'm not going throughout my ends because it's just gonna mess up the curl pattern. The humidity was so crazy this day that my hair actually shrunk up and I was so mad. That's why I just usually wear my hair in some type of style in the summertime, and in the wintertime I wear my hair fully out. Alright y'all, so that's the end of my type 4 natural hair wash day. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope y'all try out the methods that I've suggested in this video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Make sure your post notifications are on to get any new videos from me. Yeah, I had so much fun making this video. It was great, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.